Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be talking about peer-to-peer crypto exchanges. For some of you that know, or some of you that don't know, peer-to-peer crypto exchanges offer a unique service in that they allow users of a platform to trade with each other. Peer-to-peer means, person-to-person kind of. In places where crypto censorship is high, peer-to-peer crypto exchanges provide access to crypto traders. I would say peer-to-peer exchanges have some kind of added economic incentive for users. For example, for each trade, a user gets to make a profit of buying or selling crypto. And this also helps to solve the problem of universal payments. Some of the platforms offer payments ranging from bank transfers, payment gateways such as PayPal, shopping cards such as iTunes and Google Cards. So this bouquet of payments opens up possibilities for ad hoc remittance opportunities. For instance, I could send cash to a friend by selling my crypto to a trader who could pay me as a bank transfer or mobile to my prescribed account number or phone number, right? So, for example, I have some cryptocurrency, let's say for instance Bitcoin, in my peer-to-peer exchange account, and I'm in need of cash, right? I don't necessarily need to connect my bank account to the platform in order for me to get a cash out. So I can just go on, for example, some of the peer-to-peer exchanges normally have something that says sell, right? And when I click on that sell button, I'm able to see a number of people who are willing to buy cryptocurrency from other people. And I look at kind of their maybe payment methods. For example, if I don't have a bank account and I do have a mobile money account, right? I'm going to look for a trader that is able to offer me that service or to pay me into my mobile money account. Or if I have a certain bank, I really need cash. Some of these bank transfers sometimes can take up to 24 hours. And I find a trader that uses my bank account and can make kind of an instantaneous transfer into my bank account. I would go for that trader. And sometimes the rates, right? You can look for a rate that is favorable to what you're looking for. So it's kind of person to person. I don't need to worry about my cash or my fiat currency, whatever you call it, getting into my bank account or getting through a bank, right? It normally happens from person to person. And there are actually some peer-to-peer exchanges that offer cash opportunities. So if I want to sell my cryptocurrency for cash, I'll be able to go for that option and sell my cryptocurrency for cash, which I don't normally think is the safest kind of method, because it kind of doesn't really protect you from either the buyer or you as the seller. And most of these cryptocurrency or peer-to-peer cryptocurrency exchanges do have what they call an escrow service, right? Because I know some of you might be asking yourselves, okay, if I'm going to buy or sell my crypto to another person and I trust them, I have never met them before, and I trust them to deposit this money into my bank account, how do I know that they've actually made a proper transfer? So there's an escrow service. So if I'm selling the crypto, I'm going to put in a sell kind of trade and say, I want to sell so much of Bitcoin. Maybe let's say, if you're in South Africa, I'm going to use South African rands, maybe 2,000 rands or $2,000 worth of crypto. So in the moment I execute that trade on the platform, the escrow service holds the crypto until I have received confirmation of payment, and I've actually confirmed that I've received the payment, and then now I can release my crypto to the buyer. So there is that escrow layer, which is a protective layer. And sometimes there's rating systems, right? So most of the crypto traders have to be verified and they have to go maybe through a certain level of trades, and they have to be trusted. So you can always go back and check if this is a trusted seller or this is a trusted buyer, and you can base your trade off that. So that is kind of a bit of an overview about cryptocurrency, peer-to-peer cryptocurrency exchanges, to be specific.